Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix 5G network not working on iPhone. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So if your iPhone is not connecting to or working properly on a 5G network, there could be various reasons for the issue. Here are some troubleshooting steps to help you fix the problem. First, check network coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with good 5G network coverage. 5G networks may not be available in all locations, and signal strength can vary. Check carrier settings. Make sure your carrier settings are up to date. Sometimes carriers release updates that improve network connectivity. Enable 5G. So you need to enable it, go to Settings, then Cellular, then select Cellular Data Options, then Voice and Data, and select 5G Auto or 5G On to enable 5G connectivity if your carrier and plan support it. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. Turn your iPhone off and back on again. Airplane mode toggle. Toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it off. This can sometimes reset your network connections. Reset network settings. So to do that, go to Settings, then General, select Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth settings, so be prepared to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks and repair Bluetooth devices. Update iOS. Make sure your iPhone's operating system is up to date. Sometimes, software updates include bug fixes related to network connectivity. Check SIM card. Ensure that your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. You can try removing the SIM card, then reinserting it securely. Contact your carrier. If you've tried all the previous steps and are still experiencing issues, it is a good idea to contact your mobile carrier customer support. They might be able to provide specific assistance based on their network setup. Check for interference. Some electronic devices or materials can interfere with 5G signals. Make sure you are not in an area with heavy interference and avoid placing your phone near devices that might cause interference. Test different locations. If possible, try your phone in different locations to see if the issue is specific to a particular area. And lastly, factory reset. So this is an advanced step. If none of the previous steps work, you could try performing a factory reset on your iPhone. However, this should be considered as a last resort as it will erase all data on your device. Make sure to back up your data before attempting a factory reset. If you're still unable to connect to a 5G network after trying these steps, you might want to visit an Apple Store or authorized service provider for further assistance. And that's it for this video. So if you follow all of the steps, you should be able to fix 5G network not working on iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!